Hi everyone, for those who don't know me, my name is Katie Simi. I'm an initiate in the Beta Zeta class, and I'm a marine science and physics double major. Throughout the initiation process, I think that I learned time management for myself. Throughout each semester, I kind of develop like a routine for myself, and I kind of stick to it. And so when this started and all the interviews, had to be planned each week, it was kind of difficult for me in the beginning, but I was able to learn how to, manage when I did my work and then when I got to do my interviews. And what I actually realized is that I don't really have any social interaction during the school week, and so this was a healthy way for me to like talk to people and to take a break from the schoolwork and actually get to know some people and make friends. So if I could change one thing about the initiation process, I think that I would change maybe the way the retreat is kind of set up in terms of it being outdoor the whole time. I know a lot of like the activities are more suited for outside, but I got very cold, and like most of you know that I went home, and I just think that maybe especially during the colder months that it's hard for everyone to just stay outside the whole time. So if there's like a possibility that we could maybe do it half indoor, half outdoor, like alternating, so that some of the activities are outside and some are inside, so that we just kind of are more comfortable. And especially during the colder seasons, but then it does get really hot too, so it could be discussed to make it so everyone's kind of more comfortable. And I don't have any health problems, but you never know if someone in the new initiate class code or someone even in the fraternity already that doesn't even know yet. So I think it's something that would be beneficial to everybody. I only got to go to one of our fellowship events, which was yoga. But I actually thought about it, and we were able to kind of show the tripod through just the initiation process in itself. And so like scholarship, we would study the quizzes and learn about something, which was the fraternity. And then leadership, we elected a president, and with the committees we were able to take turns talking to each other about what we thought were good ideas and bad ideas. And with fellowship, it was, we bonded as an initiate class in general, and we're able to like meet outside of fraternity events and hang out together and say hi to each other. And so it was not what we expected, but it was still something that we were able to demonstrate the tripod as a fraternity and as an initiate class. I'm not sure yet if I want to pursue a leadership position. I know that next semester academically is going to be very difficult for me, and I don't think that it would be fair if I can't devote enough time to that position, and so I kind of have to get myself together before I think about something like that. And I know that I have like the following semesters to contribute my time to the fraternity in a way that would be helpful for everybody. Taking the quizzes during the initiation process was pretty challenging for me because I would sometimes forget about them, and they're actually pretty lengthy. And so like I said before, I have time management issues, and they're during the weekend, so sometimes it's easy to forget about stuff that you have to do on Sundays. So I would end up like printing out the PDFs that Matt emailed me and putting them in my backpack so that I could look at them throughout the day. And then I'd actually have like a physical piece of paper that I could be like, oh yes, I have to do this. And I also put reminders on my phone, so I would remember to study like Friday instead of, an hour on Sunday before we had chapters. So it was something I overcame, and I passed, so I would describe PSB as a great way to meet new people and to get involved in the university and your community. It's really more than a fraternity. Embodiment's the tripod, and I know that's the point, but sometimes you don't really expect it to actually follow through in that way, and it does for me. And so I think that's really important, and I would tell someone the initiation process might get tough at times, but it'll all be worth it, and that's what's most important anyways. Thank you for your time. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe, and I hope to see you all very soon. Bye!